So as far as Ranveer is concerned, he started his journey 1.5 years back. He got opportunities to, he did a couple of courses and got the opportunities for the various competitions like WRO and FTC. And of course, with the beautiful guidance of the mentors, it has really shaped up his thinking process, the logic, and their way to look at things in a different problem solving skill and that tangent. And of course, the career path also, they have been able to understand their interest. With Ranveer, he wants to pursue this and he wants to go engineering. Engineering was always his forte, and he wants to continue in computer science and web and programming or AI, things like that. And yes, for this, definitely overseas is what they are looking at and they are aiming at and they cherish, for which they are ready to work for it, even though challenging, tiring, and but still exciting.